But, I mean, look at the state of that. It's so bad. Morning! I don't think the sound is going to be that good because I'm filming on a GoPro, so apologies if it's not great. I'm not going to be talking that much anyway. This is just going to be FTP take 2. So yeah, another FTP test because I'm getting coached now and they've asked me to do an FTP. They've sent me the program on how to do it, so it's not a Zwift warm-up, it's not anything like that. It's just going to be what they've set up, so I just thought I would share how I get on. Hopefully it's better than last time. So if you look at the warm-up that I've got 15-minute warm-up and I'm going to put a couple of like fast cadence sections in there, like just for like 30 seconds or something. And then I've got 3 90-second intervals of like 220 watts, 5-minute break, and then I'm going 20 minutes. I've actually set it up on erg mode for about 230 watts, which I can control here on this section here, like the left and the percent, because I feel like, oh, I didn't pick a colour, shit. It's too late now, isn't it? Because I find that when I am set with it, I find it hard just to spin out on this. I mean, I find it hard to get the watts up unless I've got something to push against. I don't think I've picked a hilly course annoyingly. I'm not sure I would do it on a hilly course. Is there any way to stop this? Get my music sorted. I've got a little playlist to keep me motivated. I used to do that as a climb near me that I want to get up. I think I want to get up in like 25 minutes, under 25 minutes. So I have a set playlist that is bang on 25 minutes. It took me a while to find songs that would fit it, so that I know if I start that at the bottom, I need to get to the end of the segment before the music stops. It did help. I did do it. I want to knock 4 minutes off. I want to do it under 20 this year, so quite a lot off. Alright, that's my goal, generally, to do dust stones in under 20. So basically what had happened here is Jay came in to say goodbye. I basically grunted at him to move the fan and I just lost it. Like, I just lost my rhythm for it. And if you can see now, like, I'm getting out of the saddle, and the more I get out of the saddle, the more effort I'm putting in and the less I can spin, because I'm just trying to push so hard, and it just gets worse and worse, and the watts get lower, and as the watts get lower, I can't get them back up. And then you'll see, like, look how much I'm straining. I look like I'm, God knows, like I'm just like, in so much pain. And those watts aren't even difficult watts. So then I ended up having to turn the erg mode down a bit just so I could get my cadence back up to be able to get up to the watts again. But, I mean, look at the state of that. It's so bad. And if you want to actually look at the power data on Strava, you can go and have a look at the power curve and stuff. In fact, I don't know whether you can do that. I know I can, but you can see there's a massive dip in it, so that's made a massive kind of dint in the overall watts for the FTP. So I just really struggled to get it back up, and then I eventually did, and then all was well. FTP has increased from, I can't remember what it said on there, but it's increased anyway, like by quite a lot. So I think the last time I did that FTP, I must have just been under the weather. And even that FTP, I think it was 237, that is still a fair bit less than my outdoor one. I mean, that was quite a while ago, but I would be very interested to see what my outdoor one is. And the problem that I have is keeping the watts up, because I'm used to using it in erg mode, so I'm used to the trainer to keep me at watts, whereas I feel if I was just going to free ride that bit and I was on flat, even if I was in the hardest gear, would I be able to keep the watts up? Because I think I could probably do for 20 minutes, I could probably do about 280, I think. 280, 290 maybe. Well, don't hold me to that. I'm going to have to try it. I'm going to try it soon, I think. In a couple of weeks, I'm going to do an outdoor one and see where I'm at outdoor-wise. But I could have done more on that. Like, towards the end, I just couldn't pick the watts up. And then that spiral of death in the middle was just like... bad. Don't ever take a sip. I was concentrating. I was like, let's have a quick drink. That quick drink slowed my legs down. I couldn't get back going. I had to lower all the watts down to try and then get back out of that, because I was just pushing so hard to then try and get back up. And then the reason that I put it in erg mode was because there was like arrows, up and down arrows, and I thought I'd be able to increase to any kind of watt, so I felt like I was doing okay. But you can only do it by 10%, 10% above, 10% below, and I'd set it at 235 because my last FTP was so low that I was worried that I wouldn't be able to hold that for that long. And obviously I can. I'll have to do another one. I'll have to do another one. Oh my god, I've got sweat in my eyes. Oh my god. Shouldn't you rub your eyes that hard, but oh my god. So now I'm going to shower, I'm going to go to work, and yeah. Let me know how you found your indoor versus outdoor FTP, because I did this last time and a lot of people said it was very different. I had a fan on though. I just need to do an outdoor on a hill for me. I guess I could do the mountain one, couldn't I, on this, and then just do it as a free session and not use it on any erg mode. So yeah, I think you've heard me babble on enough about arbitrary numbers. But thank you for listening, I appreciate it. And I will see you next video. Don't forget to like if you like the video, if you enjoyed seeing me suffer, and leave me a comment if you want to leave me a comment, and subscribe if you're not already, because you just get more sweaty content like this. Okay, I will see you next video.